Hi, this is Dan Cuscarella from Camplex Fiber Optics. I'm here today to answer a few questions we get around the clear shrink that we put on our cables. This shrink is something that came to us from Neutrik with their optical con assemblies when we became certified. They include 6 inches of clear shrink to give the customer an opportunity to put their own logo, serialization, part number system, be it whatever you want, and apply this clear shrink to protect it as a permanent method for you to manage your inventories. After applying your logo, you're going to slide the clear shrink over top centered. Take your heat gun, applying heat from the back to the front of the cable to ensure that you shrink it evenly and completely for a good seal. Should you find that you don't have value in the clear shrink that we apply, it's really a simple solution. Just grab a handy pair of shears or scissors and you can just cut it off and promptly resolve any concerns you have with our clear shrink. Hope this helps you out. This is Dan Cuscarella from Camplex Fiber Optics. Have a great day.